We will be doing the PPF. Got some cheap PPF from eBay. Didn't wanted to do it on the old car. Probably just do a trial run on the front of the car. Have a few of these PPF tools, squeegee, cutters, flip solution, soap solution, and sip and tack. Bugs, they get stuck to the car, and when you try to wash or scrub them off, it leaves some kind of scratches on the front of the car. So my plan is to do the PPF on this piece and this piece. That's it. I'm not going to do PPF on the sides because this is vinyl, probably will stay for some time, and maybe 3-4 years, and that should be it. Maybe I will put in a new color at some point. So the idea is to put the PPF on these two pieces. I didn't do the car wash, didn't clean it much. Probably the plan is I will just do the cleaning right now with some soapy solution. I'll put it on the time lapse.
Thought I believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go down. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make plans, it's all in your hands. I'm too busy, I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. Oh, I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time with you. I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. You get more beautiful like flowers bloom. I've never felt this yet, it feels like deja vu. So you can let your head down. I'll hide all of your worries away, and we don't have to go now. I wish I could live this life on replay. Don't need to make I'm spending all my time with you, driving